Good morning, y'all. I wanted to take a quick little morning sunlight video. I want to encourage you guys to get as much sunlight and nature as you can, like especially on these weekends when a lot of people don't go to work and they have the chance to just slow down and relax for a bit. Instead of sitting on the video games or doing whatever, come outside and get into nature. It's like one of the best things you can do for yourself. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you guys some love and let you guys know that I appreciate the people who keep coming back for more videos, because I truly want to bring you guys some great value and help you to change your lives. That's truly the purpose of this channel, is to help you guys. I've been reaching out to some of the people who have been watching the videos and asking you guys what you are looking for in terms of upcoming videos and whatnot, because I already have like 60 videos that are just sitting on my computer, already finished, just waiting to go. So I'm not worried about, the speed of content. I'm more so worried about now at this point, finding out what you guys want and bringing you actual value that's relevant to your specific life situation. So if you are having issues in your life, or you have like specific questions or problems you're dealing with, then leave a comment down below, because again, I truly want to help you guys. That is what this channel is for. A couple years back, like when my life was in a much worse situation, when I was, in the military, hating life and literally going home every day and just sitting in bed in the dark room, just crying. It feels like you don't, like there's no way out sometimes. And I wish that I would have had someone who could show me the way a little bit during those times, because I truly did feel lost. So yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, any issues you're dealing with in your life, then leave them down below, and I will put in my absolute best effort to make a video about those if I have any information or knowledge on those topics. And not to be cocky, but I have knowledge on quite a few different topics, because I've dealt with a lot of bullshit in my life, and I can relate to many different situations. But yeah, I love you guys. Hope y'all have an amazing day. Be sure to get some sunlight. That is the best way to just get that instant dose of like just pure natural happiness. Like it hits you. But yeah, I will see y'all on the next video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and be sure to leave a comment down below if you have specific ideas if you have specific topics you want me to address in upcoming videos. Love y'all. Peace out.